My name is Campbell. I'm a final year student at Ulster University and I've just took part in the Graduate Resilience Workshop. I found this workshop really useful as it allowed me to evaluate my emotions and how I handle stress as a final year student, and made me look at the external environments that can also contribute to it, such as social media and how it can be a distraction and how it can take me away with dealing with the realities of the outside world, which isn't exactly a positive thing. It can be very negative, and I find this workshop really useful because it allowed me to look at the scale of my stress level and how I can bring my stress level down as a final year student, completing my coursework and completing exams, and also how to handle myself as I step into the real world.
My name is McConnell. I'm a hospitality management student. I just attended the graduate programme. I found it really helpful. I had taken a heart attack due to stress because I had to close my restaurant down, and I really found it helpful when dealing with stress and dealing with bad situations.
Hello, I'm Devlin. I'm an international hospitality management student and I just attended the Graduate Resilience Workshop. I found a lot of the activities that are unuseful, especially learn how to deal with stress and the breathing activities, as well as understanding emotional intelligence, as well as emotional intelligence of others.